cash basis. The report will contain an emphasis of a matter paragraph. Let me ask you this, just not knowing anything. Do you think you should tell the users that, look, this is a cash basis report? Should you tell them this? What do you think? I would say yes. You should tell them this, and you should tell them in the report, this is a non-GAAP, because cash basis is non-GAAP, and you have to explicitly tell them it's non-GAAP. So one, it should be just obviously you have to tell them, look, this is not GAAP. Okay, so I keep 1, I take out D, I keep C, take out B and D. Okay, now all what I have to find out now, if number 2 is correct, if number 2 is correct, C is the answer. If not, 1 is the answer. 1 only, which is A. The opinion paragraph would evaluate the usefulness of the basic accounting and compare it to GAAP. Do you think we have to do that? Do you think we have to evaluate how useful is cash basis? We don't have to. I mean, if we are reporting based on cash basis, it's acceptable. And there's no reason to compare it to GAAP. If somebody is interested in converting the financial statements to GAAP, by all means, you know their cash basis, you can do your own evaluation and compare it to GAAP. But we don't do this work. Otherwise, if we do this work, it means we are doing GAAP and cash basis. Therefore, 2 is not correct, C is not correct, 1A is the answer. And hopefully you can learn this based on common sense. Yes, I have to emphasize the accounting method I'm using, cash basis, but I don't have to compare it to GAAP. So why don't I compare it also to income tax? Or why don't I compare it to regulatory requirement? I don't have to compare it to anything. I just have to let you know which basis am I using.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.